Buenos dias. Today is the 27th of September, 27. And I'm at a place called Attikongas for a nature trail. And we're going to go and see waterfalls, which is something to do in Finland, and when you are in this Lapland. And so we just arrived here, and there is my tour guide, Mr. Venny, and his assistant, and we are getting ready to go. You can hear the waterfalls. Wow. And there's a little cafe, but it is closed because the season is over, and plus this stupid Wuhan crap. And there are not that many people, as you can tell. We have 3 vehicles, and we just arrived, so 4th vehicle. And we can hear the waterfalls. And I'll just let the camera do the talking when I get a little bit nearer here. I hope you can hear the waterfalls. Hasta luego.